All right, in this video, we're going to go through the answers to Unit 1, Topic 1 from your test. Then we're going to have a few practice examples that we do together in the video. At the end of the video, there will be questions for you to answer on your own. And those questions at the end of the video are the retake for you to get a better grade. So you should have your test in front of you. And before you watch this video, you should also come see me so that I can give you a paper copy of the work so you can show your work to try to get the most points possible. All right, so topic 1 is solving systems of equations and inequalities with technology. The technology that we used was Desmos. So number 1, we don't need technology because they've given us a graph. So which is the solution set of the system of equations graphed on the following grid? It's important that you remember when you're graphing two equations at the same time, the solution is where they intersect. So I have one point here where they intersect, and I have another point here. So when you are giving an ordered pair, you start at 0, 0, and you always give me the left or right direction first, then the up or down. So from 0, 0, left 1, and then I don't have to go up or down. I'm on that point. That's the point -1, 0. So that's in 2 of my answer choices. My other point, I'm going to start at 0. I'm going to go left 4, up 3. Starting at 0, left 4, up 3. So that's the point -4, 3. So the answer is C. All right, now number 2. We have to graph this in Desmos ourselves, and we're going to look for which answer choice has the 2 points where they intersect at. All right, I was hoping I could split the screen. That didn't want to work. All right, so I'm going to type in y equals 4x plus 2. And my other equation is y equals x squared plus x minus 8. And so I might have to zoom out a little bit, but I can just click on the points in Desmos. Now you see here when I click 0, 0, something happened because 0, 0 is an x-intercept, so that's kind of a special point. Well, I put plus 8 plus x minus 8. There we go. But you can click on other points in Desmos, but that doesn't make them solutions. The solutions are where they intersect each other. So I can see one intersection here as the point -2, -6, and the other one up here is the point 5, 22. So I'm going to go back to my paper. And so that's this choice. And again, it's because I can see that that's where the line intersected the parabola. That's where my two, the blue and the red, that's where they crossed each other. All right, question number 3, we're going to do in Desmos. They give us 2 functions is the same as giving us 2 equations. And what is the y value when f of x equals g of x? That's a solution. We're solving to see where they equal each other. So that just means we're going to do it the same way. I'm going to graph that one. I'm going to graph that one. I'm going to see where they intersect. So I wish this would let me only show you half the screen so I could see them both at the same time. But that just doesn't want to work. All right, well, I'm just going to type in what f of x and g of x were equal to. So f of x equals 2x minus 3. G of x equals negative absolute value of x minus 4. All right, I'm going to hit the house button, and there's my 2 equations, so that's where they cross. So -1, -5 is the point where they cross. So I'm going to try to draw a little picture here. -1, -5, and now you have to be careful to read the question. It says, what is the y value? So the y value of this is -5. So that's the only thing you have to put as your answer. All right, number 4, we're going to do it the same way. I'm going to graph Desmos, Desmos, see where they intersect. So -8 plus 3x minus 2y equals 0. 6y equals -3x plus 24. They intersect at the point 4, 2. So that's the answer. All right, and this question didn't count for anybody. It was a bad question, and there's not going to be any like that on the retake. All right, so in the next 3 examples, they don't count towards your grade for the retake, but you have to do them so that we can see if we're ready for the retake. All right, so number 1, what are the solutions to the system of equations? And you're given this graph. So I'm going to pause it and let you pick an answer. All right, hopefully you picked choice B, because those are the 2 points where they intersect each other. All right, number 2, what are the solutions to the system of equations? So you need to go ahead, pause the video, graph those in Desmos, and see where they intersect. All right, so x plus y equals 1. Y equals x squared minus 5. They intersect at the point -3, 4, and again at the point 2, -1. And that was just a coincidence that that's also the same answers to the first one. All right, inequalities. We didn't have any questions like that on your test, but there are going to be a few easy ones on the retake. So pause this and see if you can figure this one out. All right, when you have a system of inequalities, we did go over this a lot in class. I'm going to plot all of these 3 points so I can see where they are. So -3, 1 is A. B is the point 0, 1. C is the point 3, 0. And D is the point 2, 2. So it can't be A or C because those both look pretty much the same. They're both in the shaded area. So B is on a dotted line and D is on a solid line. If you remember, one of those is not okay. If a point is on a dotted line, it is not a solution. So A and C are good because they are in the shaded area. D is okay because it's on a solid line. B is not. All right, so now Edpuzzle is going to give you a few questions to try. These are your test questions to bring your grade up.